Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself. Though, from when I hear the voice, when I know say I will on the YouTube channel this. Isn't it so? Me go ask all new viewers to subscribe if this is your first time come across this channel, isn't it? So alright, you could jump in it. Alright guys, so today I'm back with a short and spicy video for you, isn't it? So Expert and Rose officially back together. I don't know them on and off, so guys comment down below, tell me what you think. But anyways, Rose no want to pressure and stress her. Isn't it too much pressure on her head like what she say? Isn't it tell me one of the things she say? A fair life and you can't tell her what to live. Expert on the other hand now guys, him is the same idiot as him be, isn't it? So me I make you see the clippings that will take place where them where them say this, all of them something, isn't it? And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far.
a thing. We there same way. We not going away. Honor and respect. Expert and role. No. Include that thing. I'm not for the money. What the closing line is? RE family. RE family. Okay. All right. Rules like okay. You know the thing already, so understood. All right then. What if I big up for you here? So Rose, big up yourself and expert big up here. Everybody right there, so wanna big up on yourself, same way. Chat and laugh, respect, love everyone. Big up. Big up.
Yeah, man, peeps, so that really go on and thing. You see me, and Rose knows she wants still in us, you know. When I go say that still, but in a sense, Rose no need expert, cause expert. Rose don't have a disability already, and expert himself come like him have a disability, you see me? Guys, you see me? And him can't read, him leave no sense. Bigger man thing. No wonder the people them a bone him out and think I'm see it. I see it for myself, you see me? But differently still at the end of the video this. And bless up on yourself and know the style. And like, comment, share. You know the style.